Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see a checklist for dispensing of drugs. This one is a step-by-step guide. So what are the things we need to do? Number one, we need to see that all these requirements are there. The necessary drugs, dispensing logbook, patient's chart, drug measures, and envelope. The procedure, we need to grade and explain the procedure to the patient. And we need to provide privacy, not all the drugs. Some people don't like if people see them taking drugs. So you need to provide privacy. This one will use the screen. Then wash your hand. After providing privacy, you go and wash your hand. Check the drug and you need to confirm with the patient's chart. Explain to the patients about the drug, including the indication for the drug, the side effects of the drug, nursing consideration, and the route you are going to give to the patient. This one is 2 marks. Measure the drug correctly. Tell the patients the next time, and you need to thank the patients. Then clear away and wash your hand. Don't forget to record anything you have done. That is all. In summary, we need the requirements are drug measures, envelope, dispensing logbook, and a patient's chart. Then you need to greet the patient and explain the procedure to the patient, provide privacy, and you wash your hand. Check the drug confirming from the patient's chart. Explain to the patients about the drug, including the indication, side effects, nurse's consideration, and the route you are going to give. And then measure the drug correctly. Tell the patients the next time and thank the patients. Then you clear away. That is all. Thank you. That is the checklist for dispensing a drug. If you get any value out of this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.